Module. Online teaching tools. Title: Google Meet. Activities. Google Meet doesn't only give you the possibility of video conferencing, as it's equipped with many student-centered activities, and they will be presented in the continuation of this video. So another really important feature of Google Meet are its activities. You can locate the activities on the lower right corner of the window. By clicking onto activities, you can see all of your possibilities. Firstly, we have breakout rooms, which you can use to divide your students or participants into smaller groups, which is especially important for group activities. The second one are polls. You can ask your audience a question and give them a few possible answers which they can vote on. The third option is Q&A. You can write a question and all of the participants can give you their answers for that specific question. Next we have recording. You can record all of your meetings and distribute the recordings throughout the Google Meet room. The second to last feature are transcripts. And lastly, we have whiteboarding, where all of the participants can use the whiteboard to brainstorm, sketch ideas, and so on. The first option from the activities are the breakout rooms. You can easily distribute all of your students or participants into smaller groups in order for them to do group projects. So by clicking onto breakout rooms, you can see all of the participants as well as you in the meeting. You can set up the breakout rooms by defining the number of breakout rooms. I'm gonna choose 3. You can shuffle the participants, the breakout rooms, or you can easily move the participants from one group to another. You can set a timer or how long the participants be in their breakout rooms. I'm gonna say 5 minutes. Click onto OK. You can simply open the rooms where all of the participants are distributed into their separate rooms. You can easily see once all of the participants join their separate group, and Google Meet also gives you the option to join each separate breakout room to see or to communicate with the participants within that specific group. And you can easily switch from group to group. If you think the students had more than enough time to finish their group projects, you can also easily close the breakout rooms before the scheduled end. And the participants have 30 seconds to leave the group and join the main call. The second important activities feature of Google Meet are the polls. So if you click onto polls, you can start a poll by writing a question to your students. For example, how are you today? And give them some possible answers. And you can either launch the question right away, or you can save it for a later time. I'm gonna save the question for now. Once you get to the point where you want to ask this specific question, you can simply launch the question to your students. And once the students give you answers to your question, you can see the results right away, and you can click end poll if you are not expecting any more answers. The meetings can also be recorded either in video form or just in the form of a transcript. If you click on one or the other option, you can easily start with the transcription process or with the recording process. If you click onto the recording process, you can automatically choose to save a transcript of the video call. And if you choose to do so, the video of the call as well as the transcript of the call will be saved onto your Google Disk account. And the last activities feature is whiteboarding. By clicking onto this option, you are presented with two options. You can either start with a completely new and blank whiteboard, or you can upload a file from your Google Drive and continue to write or draw on the whiteboard. I'm going to choose the new whiteboard, the shared whiteboard. All of the participants can write something. They can also erase something that's been written. They can also point out something that's important, add sticky notes, to the whiteboard, and of course move them around. They can emphasize something by circling something they think that is important, or they can simply type in the text they want to. And this will be the last feature from the activities section of Google Meet and the end of this video.